Hello all. Let us see some Scopus indexed and UGC care index journal on education domain. So this is also requested by a subscriber. So I'm going to show you few journals. Okay, so here you can see that this is an arts and humanities in higher education journal where you can just scroll down and see the abstracting and indexing. If you click here, you can see what where it is abstracted and indexed. Here you can see that it's a Scopus indexed. Okay, so anyhow, you also cross check in the Scopus database. Okay, I have already checked. You can also check in the Scopus database, and if it is showing like still 2021, because Scopus has to update the 2022 list, so wait for that update. But this is in Scopus index journal. Okay, so for no worries about it. So this is Scopus index journal. You can see, you can go to the submit paper link to check whether it is what charge they are asking for. Okay, so I'm just going to check here. There are no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal. Okay, so you no need to pay anything for this. Okay, so arts and humanities in education is an open journal, like you can submit it. Okay, and you have to check aim and scope. Okay, you have to check this, you have to check the description as well. So what is the scope of the journal? That is very very important. Even if you are just searching in some other journal, you have to check this as well. Okay, so it is better to check this. Here you can see that publish high quality peer reviewed article, and you can see the aim and scope, what are the important thing they are just looking upon. Okay, so teaching, and other than that you can just go through here higher education purposes, and these are the thing. Okay, so here you can submit. Don't forget to check the submission guideline, and this is current, that is they are the frequency is 3 times per year. Okay, so also check, I think they will give you the faster response, so submit it and see that. Okay, so next journal is what we are going to talk about is journal. Okay, so this is the journal Alberta Journal of Educational Research. Okay, AGER. Fine, so this journal also not asking for any charge. Here you can check for the indexing. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through the list of journals. Okay, you can just cross check. You also should cross check in the Scopus database, because anytime they may cancel the Scopus indexing. So I request you all to just check in the Scopus database as well. So here you can find the indexing here. Okay, so where they have indexed for, and then here you can see it is a Scopus index journal. So one, and then you have to check for the charge. So here AJER grants this permission free of charge, subject to the following conditions. So this you have to acknowledge properly, and these things you have to properly look for. If it is fine, then they will not ask you for any charge. Okay, then you have to check the other important criteria, like what is the frequency, and how long they will take it for that is to process your paper and everything. This I have already discussed in a different um, video, that what are the things you should check for. Okay, so what are the things you should check for before submitting or before choosing any journal. So next is active learning in higher education. You can see here this is also a journal which, if you want to know more about it, you have to click on more. Okay, so here you can see abstracting and indexing, aim and scope, and submit your paper. So first let us check whether it is a open, that is a free of cost journal. Let us see that. So there are no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal. So this is free of cost. Okay, you have to check for the aim and scope. That is very very important as well. And then you can also see how many times their frequency is 3 times per year, and you can also see that whether what are all the disciplines they are just trying to publish here. Okay, so this is also a free journal, like you can submit it for free, active learning in higher education. Let's go to the next one, Academy of Management. So here also you can see that the process of management teaching and the learning that results from it. So here you have to check for the aim and scope. Okay, so that is important, and then you can find more about the authors. Okay, so you can go and check here author, and then you have to check about the about us as well. So even learning and education, okay, that is in this is Academy of Management. Under that you have a journal called Learning and Education. Okay, Learning and Education is what the journal name. Here you can see learn more about AMLE. So Learning and Education, and once if you scroll down you can see more about it. You can click on the author resources, and then here you can find whether they have. Okay, Academy of Management does not charge submission fees. Okay, so this you can find, and apart from this you have to check other important thing like what are the frequency of submission and everything. Okay, if you go to the submission you can find more about it. So this is also a free journal that you can submit it. The next one is the Journal of Education for Sustainable Development. You can see here that this is also emerging field of education for sustainable development. You can find it. You can go and check like whether it is costing, whether what cost they are asking for. So there are no fees payable to submit or publish in this journal. And then you have to check for the aim and scope. Okay, don't forget to check this. And also you have to check for the indexing anyhow, even though if it is mentioned here like a Scopus or UGC care, you have to cross check in that database as well. Okay, so here you can see what is the aim and scope of the journal, and then in the indexing part, so this is the indexing, abstracting and indexing part, you can find where it is indexed. Okay, here you can see the various indexing. This is indexed in UGC care. All the best for you all to submit your research paper, valuable research paper here, and then get accepted and publish soon. Take care. Bye bye.